Plus addressing is a better way of organizing your incoming email. It works by using the plus symbol in the email address you are sending the message to. As an example, if your email address is info@demoaccount.co.uk, your plus address version will be info plus tasks@demoaccount.co.uk. It is important to note that you're using the plus symbol and the word tasks, which was added into the plus address version. This allows your email software to pick up on the formatting and deliver any incoming emails addressed in this way to a task folder that you have set up in your email application. Your email application should set this up for you, so run a test to see where the plus email goes to. Although you cannot disable plus addressing, you can disable the auto creation of the folders. Here are some steps to disable plus addressing folder creation. To begin with, log into your client area, click on Services, then click on the Active button next to your hosting account. If you're unsure how to do this, see our video on how to access your cPanel. Now log into your cPanel and search for Email Accounts. Then click on Manage next to the email account you want to disable folder creation on. Under the plus addressing heading, click on the Do Not Automatically Create Folders button and then click the Update Email Settings button.